This video tutorial I will cover how to inject the array which is having a dependent object using Spring Dependency Injection by Constructor. Here I have defined the class fruit. It has two properties, name and color, and it has fruit constructor which accept name and color. And here I have overridden toString method. Here I have defined the class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and fruit array. In fruit array, we can add fruit object. Fruit object is the dependent object. And it has fruit shop constructor which accept shop name and fruit array. And it has display fruit shop info method. This is the Spring configuration file. Here we have specified using constructor dependency injection, Spring container should create fruit1 object, fruit2 object and fruit shop object. Fruit1 object name should be apple and color should be red. Fruit2 object name should be grapes and color should be violet. Fruit shop object shop name should be fruit mart. And fruit array should contains two objects. The first one is fruit1 and the second one is fruit2. Array element is used to define the array. Constructor argument which invokes the constructor. In this case the constructor which accept string and array will be called. In this example, this constructor will be called. What object to instantiate, what object to configure, and how to configure. These information will be there in Spring configuration file. In this example, we have specified using constructor dependency injection, Spring container should create fruit1 object, fruit2 object, and fruit shop object. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and it creates a fruit shop object and configure the fruit shop object and manage the complete life cycle of fruit shop object. Here I have defined the class app and here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file. Using getBean method of application context object, I am getting fruit shop object from Spring container and displaying the fruit shop information. Here you can see the output. These constructors are called by Spring container and fruit shop object shop name is set as fruit mart. Fruit array contains two fruit objects.